Welcome to the future of social media where influencers aren't just human, they're AI. This is your Money Making Pals channel, and in this video, we're going to take you through the fascinating journey of creating an AI influencer from scratch. Whether you're a brand, a developer, or just curious about the next big thing in tech, this guide is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to bring your own AI influencer to life, from concept to execution. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all things money. Let's dive in. But first, what exactly is an AI influencer? An AI influencer is a digital persona powered by artificial intelligence, capable of creating content, interacting with followers, and even collaborating with brands, all without being a real person. These AI influencers are designed to mimic human behavior and can be tailored to fit a specific niche, aesthetic, or brand identity. Every great creation starts with a solid idea. The conceptualization phase is where you'll define the identity of your AI influencer. This includes deciding on the niche, personality, appearance, and the role your AI influencer will play in the digital world. First, you'll want to choose a niche. Just like human influencers, AI influencers thrive by targeting a specific audience. Are you interested in fashion, tech, fitness, or perhaps gaming? Your chosen niche will guide the content your AI influencer creates and the audience that they attract. Next, let's talk personality. This is where your AI influencer starts to come to life. Will they be cheerful and upbeat, or perhaps mysterious and intellectual? The personality that you choose will determine how your AI interacts with its audience and what kind of content it produces. Now let's design your AI influencer's appearance. This is crucial, as visuals are often the first thing that catches someone's eye on social media. Will your AI be hyper-realistic, or will it have a more stylized, animated look? Pay attention to details like facial features, clothing, and even body language, as this will all contribute to the overall identity of your influencer. To make your AI influencer relatable, you might want to create a backstory. This could include their age, where they come from, what they do, and what drives them. A well-crafted backstory can make your AI influencer more relatable and engaging to your audience. With the concept in place, it's time to start building your AI influencer. This phase involves selecting the right tools and technologies to bring your digital persona to life. First, you'll need to choose an AI platform. There are several options out there, such as OpenAI's GPT for natural language processing, or platforms like DeepBrain and IBM Watson for more advanced functionalities. Your choice will depend on what you want your AI influencer to do, whether it's generating text, understanding user input, or even creating visuals. Next, you'll develop the AI language model. This is the core of how your AI influencer communicates. You'll need to train your AI on a data set that reflects the tone and style of your chosen personality. This could involve feeding it dialogue, social media posts, or articles that match the voice that you want your influencer to have. If your AI influencer will have a voice, you'll need to choose a text-to-speech engine that can convert the generated text into natural-sounding speech. Modern TTS engines can produce voices that are almost indistinguishable from real human voices. You can even customize the voice to match the gender, age, and tone of your influencer. For the visual aspect, you can use 3D modeling software or even simpler avatar creation tools, depending on how realistic or stylized you want your AI influencer to look. If you're going for a highly realistic appearance, you'll need to pay attention to details like facial expressions, eye movements, and even subtle gestures. To make your AI influencer more interactive, you'll want to implement behavioral AI. This allows your influencer to respond to different scenarios in a way that feels natural and engaging. Whether it's replying to a comment, reacting to a trend, or making decisions in real time, behavioral AI will be crucial in making your influencer feel alive. With your AI influencer built, it's time to start creating content. This is where your AI will really start to shine, showcasing its personality and engaging with the audience. Just like any influencer, your AI needs a content strategy. What kind of posts will they generate? How often will they post? Will they focus on videos, images, or text-based content? Planning ahead ensures that your AI influencer remains consistent and relevant to their audience. Using the AI language model, you can start generating content. For example, if your AI influencer is in the fashion niche, they might create posts about the latest trends, offering styling tips, or even review outfits. The key here is to ensure that the content aligns with the AI's personality and niche. To help manage and optimize your AI influencer's presence, you can use social media management tools. These tools can schedule posts, track engagements, and even suggest the best times to post based on your audience activity. Analytics will be crucial for understanding what content works and what doesn't. Engagement is key to growing your AI influencer's following. Your AI should be programmed to interact with comments, messages, and even other influencers. This can include liking comments, responding to questions, or participating in trends and challenges. The more interactive your AI is, the more it will resonate with its audience. One of the primary roles of influencers is to collaborate with brands. Your AI influencer can do the same. You can create sponsored content, reviews, or even product placements. The key is to make these collaborations feel natural and aligned with your AI personality. With your AI influencer up and running, it's time to think about how to monetize their presence. After all, influencers, whether human or AI, are often in it for the money. Sponsorship is one of the most common ways to monetize an influencer. Brands are willing to pay for posts that feature their products and services. Your AI influencer can create dedicated posts, stories, or even videos that promote a brand, ensuring that the content feels authentic and in line with their established persona. Affiliate marketing is another effective monetization strategy. By sharing affiliate links in posts or in their bio, your AI influencer can earn a commission for every sale made through those links. This works particularly well in niches like fashion, tech, and lifestyle, where product recommendations are common. And why not take it a step further and create your own merchandise? Your AI influencer can promote branded t-shirts, hats, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. This not only generates revenue, but also strengthens the AI brand's identity. Subscriptions are a great way to offer exclusive content to your AI influencer's most dedicated followers. Platforms like Patreon or even YouTube memberships allow followers to pay for extra content, early access, or even one-on-one interactions with the AI. Finally, consider hosting virtual events or experiences. Your AI influencer could offer webinars, virtual meet and greets, or live Q&A sessions. These events can be ticketed, providing another stream of income while also deepening the connection with followers. Before you unleash your AI influencer into the world, it's essential to address some of the legal and ethical challenges that come with this innovative technology. AI influencers interact with users, which means they collect and process data. It's crucial to ensure that this data is handled securely and in compliance with privacy laws like GDPR or CCPA. Make sure your AI platform has a strong security measure in place to protect user information. Transparency is key in maintaining trust with your audience. Clearly disclose that your influencer is AI generated, especially in sponsored content. Most countries have regulations requiring influencers to disclose paid partnerships, and AI influencers are no exception. Ethical content creation should be a priority. Your AI influencer should avoid spreading misinformation, respect cultural sensitivities, and promote positive values. Remember, the content your AI produces can have a real impact on its audience, so it's important to be responsible. Be aware of intellectual property rights. Ensure that the visuals, music, and content of your AI influencer are either owned by you or properly licensed. This protects you from potential legal issues down the line. Now that your AI influencer is ready, it's time to launch. But the work doesn't stop there. You'll need to actively grow and evolve your AI's presence. Plan a strategic launch to generate buzz. You could start with a teaser campaign, gradually revealing details about your AI influencer on social media. Collaborate with other influencers or brands to amplify the launch. When you go live, ensure that you have engaging content ready to keep the momentum going. Consistency is key in growing any social media presence. Your AI influencer should post regularly and interact with followers frequently. Use analytics to monitor performance and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize engagement. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow your audience. Partner your AI influencer with human influencers or other AI influencers in your niche. This can introduce your AI to new audiences and create credibility. Social media is ever changing, and your AI influencer needs to stay relevant. Keep an eye on trends and be ready to adapt. Whether it's a new platform, a viral challenge, or a shift in audience interests, staying flexible will ensure your AI influencer remains a top player. Creating an AI influencer from scratch is a blend of creativity, technology, and strategy. It's a fascinating process that opens up endless opportunities in the world of digital marketing and social media. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful AI influencer that can engage audiences, collaborate with brands, and even generate revenue. The future of social media is here. Are you ready to be a part of it? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and if you have any questions about creating your own AI influencer, we're here to help. See you in the next video.